this is your practice video for the study of nervous system of frog, brain and spinal cord of frog. First of all, we have a formalin preserved frog and we will remove its skin like this. Then, because frog is a vertebrate, we will dissect it from the dorsal side. We have to dissect it from the dorsal side because you all know that what in vertebrates, the nervous system, it means brain and spinal cord, is found on the dorsal side. This is the upper side or dorsal side of frog. Now what you need to do is make a cut in the nostrils of the frog, and here there are the bones of the skull. Precisely make a cut in the bones of skull like this, and take this cut down the vertebral column. You have to cut the bones properly, and then open the upper side just like a nutshell, like this. Now you can see the parts of brain and spinal cord. Now we also have to cut the whole vertebral column in this way. So all the parts of the spinal cord are also exposed. You will use later, once you are done with it, you have cut all the bones of brain and spinal cord, you will use this pointer to separate these parts from the bones. Like this. मेरे हाथ कांपते हुए बहुत शुरू होते हैं. Put these slides, put these parts on a slide. There is a little bit issue with me. I have tremors, but it's alright. Still, we are done with the dissection.